Hi! Father's Day. Recently, we all have celebrated Father's Day. Some have celebrated by gifting cards to their father. Some have celebrated by gifting some craft work to their father. Some have celebrated by making cookies, mocktails, cakes, delicious dishes for their father. But children, tell me one thing. Should we celebrate Father's Day only when we are small? Or should we do it even if we grow up? Let's find out with the help of a story of a boy named Rakesh and his father, Mr. Sharma. Now, Rakesh, when he was a small boy, his father always celebrated Children's Day with him. He spent the entire day with him by playing around, by going to the park, taking him to the play areas, spending the entire day the way he wanted to spend with him. But now, Rakesh has grown up. Should he stop celebrating Father's Day for his father? No, it was the evening of Father's Day, and he decided that he will be spending the entire evening with his father. Now he has grown up, and his father had become old now. He had become weak. Rakesh went to his father and told him, "Father, today is Father's Day, and I want to celebrate this entire evening with you. Let's go for a walk in the park, and then we will go to a restaurant together." His father was weak and old. He said, "My dear son, now I have grown old. I can't walk properly. I can't eat also properly. It's better I stay at home." Rakesh said, "No, father, your young son is there to take care of you." Both of them got ready and went for a walk in the park. After a lovely walk in the park, they went to the restaurant, ordered food, and the food was served. Both of them started eating. His father was weak and old. His hands were shaking when he was picking up the spoon, and while eating, he spilled the food on his shirt. He didn't like it, and the people around in the restaurant, they started laughing at him. "Oh, an old man? Such a grown-up man, and doesn't know how to eat food? Ha! And he tells them to be grown up." Ha 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 ha. Rakesh didn't say a single word to anyone over there. With lots of love and calmness, he sat beside his father and told him, "Come, father, I will feed you." His father said, "No, Rakesh, I can eat on my own." Rakesh said, "No, father, when I was small, you always took care of all my needs when I could not eat on my own hands. So today, I am going to feed you from my hands, father." He picked up the spoon and with lots of love, he started feeding his father. After he finished eating, he said, "Come, father, come with me to the washroom. I am going to clean your shirt." His father said, "No, Rakesh, it's okay. I can do it on my own. Slowly, I'll do it." Rakesh said, "No, father. When I was small and I made myself dirty from the food, from the mud, from the sand, from the colors, from the paints, you always cleaned me. So today, when you need help, I want to help you, father. Come with me to the washroom. Very gently, he held the hands of his father and took him to the washroom, cleaned his shirt, cleaned his spectacles, combed his hair neat, and came out holding his hand, paid the bill, and was just about to leave the restaurant when one of the men from behind called out to him, "Hey, young man, please stop. I want to talk to you." Rakesh was surprised. He said, "What's the matter?" The man said, "We are proud of you, my dear young boy. We all present here in the restaurant laughed at your father when he could not eat properly. But after seeing your love for your father, we understood what is a true love of a father and a son, what a true love is. We understood our mistakes. We want to ask for forgiveness for you. And from today, even we will try to be like you, a loving son like you." Everyone present in the restaurant started clapping for Rakesh and for his father. Both of them went back home happily. Children, let's all love our parents for each and every small things they are doing for us each and every day. When we grow up, it will be time for us to help them. Today, we are small, they are helping us. But when they will grow up and they will be old, it will be time for us to help them. Bye.